A pendulum bob of mass m carrying a charge q is at rest with its string making angle phi with the vertical in a uniform electric field which is horizontal. The tension in the string is, if I say bob of the pendulum, if it is charged, let the charge is q. Moment you apply the electric field horizontally, it will align in the direction of electric field. So let the direction be this. Because of the force exerted on this charged particle, and that force F is equal to, it is Q into E. Now because of that, there is an angle made in the vertical, and that angle in the problem given to be phi. Now the question is, what is the tension in the string? So tension, let it be T. We know there is a mass for the bob, its weight is acting downwards, it is mg. Therefore you have to find a value of T. To calculate that, since we know the angle with the vertical is phi, we'll resolve this tension T. Since it is a phi, therefore this angle is a phi, will resolve. Vertical component is therefore T cos phi, and horizontal it is T sin phi. Since it is equilibrium, we can write T sin phi is equal to, it is a Q into E. That's equation number 1. And other equation is T cos phi is equal to, it is mg. We can divide this, we'll get the value of tan phi, but we require a tension T. So tan phi's are not asked, therefore we are asked to find out what is the tension T. So two equations we can write. One is T is equal to QE divided by sin phi, or T is equal to, it is mg divided by cos phi. So there are two ways the answer can be written. One is T is equal to QE divided by sin phi, or it is mg divided by cos phi. So therefore here the question is asked, electric field is given to be E, charge is E. Therefore two options are possible here, either C or maybe D.